Devin with Cognito Moto. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the new shop. We've spent the last 6 months kind of moving stuff around, moving in.
Something when I was bringing something in, I was like, what the?
Some new equipment. Some new bikes, new builds. We were fortunate with the new shop to find something relatively close to where we were before. We're only about 4 blocks down the road, but it gave us more space. It had the correct power. The reason for the move was we had the VF2 Haas, the vertical mill, at our previous shop, but we needed a lathe, and we just didn't have the space in our old shop for both the mill and the lathe. It's a Haas ST30 SSY. It's a turning center, a lathe with live tooling. It's a rather big piece of equipment. So this is the ST30. We've got a 10-inch chuck, and we have live tooling here. So with that live tooling, we can do things like cut keyways in shafts, or we do some etching in shafts. So like this. So we can put our logo in there, a little text. We can put the keyway. It just saves us from doing. We can do more on in one operation rather than turn it here and then take it over to the mill and cut the keyway. So here's our latest project. It's a CB350, a 2006 GSXR fork. We've got warp 9 17-inch rims front and back. Extended swing arm. The cowl is made by Cliff Meyer of Meyer Built Metalworks. So when we first moved in, they had already had a second bathroom in the works, so that took a fair amount of time, but it's definitely worth it. The next project we had was putting in AC. The building had heat, which was okay. We moved in March, but quickly April and May came and it got pretty toasty in here, but we've got a little issue. So the staircase needs to be replaced, and I'll show you why. Not gonna work. Coming up is okay, but coming back down is a real challenge. Alright, there you go. The struggle is real. They just finished that up this month. Gonna make a huge difference, I hope. So back in here in this section, there was a number of rooms. The space before us was used for kind of a art workspace, multiple rooms, multiple studios for different artists. So we wanted a big open layout. So we took out all of the rooms. I think that there was a total of 4 rooms in here, and just opened up the space, which works better for us. We can see what we have. We can see what's in inventory. Nothing's divided. The next project here is going to be the kitchen. We got this cargo container. We've cut it out for an entryway, a bar area, kitchen, break room kind of things in there. I haven't finished it yet. It's probably a after Christmas kind of project or first of the year project. The cargo container idea was cool. If we want to move things around later, let's say we get some new equipment and we want to rearrange things in here, we thought that if we made the office modular, we make the kitchen area modular, it'd make it a lot easier later on down the road if we need to rearrange how the shop's laid out. It ended up being quite a bit more work than I had planned. We had to sheetrock and frame the inside, and in the end, you're basically building a room, but you've got a steel cage on it, which is still okay. I still like the look of it. Just much more work than I had imagined. What's still left to be done is we still have to paint the walls white. We're going to try the ceiling in black, see how that does. Alright, that's a wrap. That's all I got.